Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. Today we're going to talk about regrets on your remodeling project. And we have, over the years, it's construction, so you hit road bumps and things can happen, and we want to inform you of some things of maybe what not to do, give you some examples of regrets that we know our clients have had, so you don't make those same mistakes. So the first regret we want to have you be aware of so you don't do this is going too trendy. So lots of times there's really great, exciting colors and certain things, looks that are on trend one year, and 2-3 years later, not so much. So, of course, it's your house. Do whatever you want to do, but we're just suggesting don't go too trendy. A good example of that is the farmhouse look. Hey, I don't know how that's working out for you right now, but it was pretty trendy at one time.
So number 2 for today is storage. Never ever overlook storage and think that you might have too much, because over time it's our nature to continuously collect and hold on to more and more things. And so when you're designing a house or a kitchen or a remodel, always make sure you have plenty of extra storage for the future. So never overlook storage. You can never have too much.
Yeah, no matter what size space it is, small or large. The third regret / tip we want to share with you is using dark colored grout. So in some situations it works really, really well. In some situations it doesn't. And a good example of it is a few years ago we had a client who wanted dark grout on a really light subway tile for their kitchen backsplash. And in theory it would look really, really great, especially if it was like you had like a New York diner setting, but in this kitchen with the other materials, we said go with something neutral, something a little lighter. And they said no, we want it look just like this. And when it came out in the darker grout, it just looked so busy, it didn't do so well. So watch it when it comes to darker grout colors.
So number 4 for today has to do with cutting corners. When you put in a faucet, the labor is the same whether it's this version or this version. And something that gets used all the time, you want to put in a little bit higher quality so that it lasts over time. You're not having to replace it out in the future in a much shorter period of time. So don't cut corners on a project because you're concerned about a little bit of a price difference. Always make sure you pick out something that is going to last a long time.
Our last tip on regrets is choosing a high maintenance material. Don't do that. In our own kitchen, we learned this, that we love soapstone, and it is so beautiful as a countertop material. And that's what we wanted to have in our kitchen. And then at the very last second, the more and more we research soapstone, it's milky and smooth, but it does not hold up to scratches. It's just not scratch resistant. It looks real pretty when you put it in. So at the last minute we found this granite countertop that looks just like soapstone, and that's what we put in, and we love it every day, and it looks the way we want it, but it functions like granite, and it's not high maintenance at all like soapstone would have been. So that is one regret we don't have. So we wanted to share that one with you. Lastly, thank you for joining us on another episode of Remodel Your Thinking, and hopefully you learned something new about regrets in construction and what not to do. So hopefully we've informed you of some things that you didn't know 4 minutes ago. So thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time. And if you like what you saw,
thumbs up, baby.
Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.